Welcome to our project, Automatic Rain Shelter with the Automatic LED light system, developed by our team members. My name is Moon Filan.
My name is Muhammad Nihal. The problem we are addressing is the incumbency and safety corners people face when caught in the rain without adequate shelter or visibility.
Traditional rain shelter can be comparison to deploy, and outdoor areas often lack proper lighting during rainy or low lighting conditions.
Our automatic solution aims to solve these problems by detecting rain and automatically activating the shelter.
Additionally, the built-in the LED light system ensure visibility and the safety when the shelter is developed.
By combining automatic with energy efficient lighting, we aim to improve the overall outdoor experience, make it more comfortable and secure.
Join as we demonstrate how this system